Maintain a PC pump in place. Mono's next goal was to make the pump easy to maintain and eliminate the often expensive need for dismantling space, which can be 50% of the pump length. Having gained access to the drivetrain, you'll see the engineer remove the EZstrip retaining sleeve, revealing the new split coupling rod. The tie rods are then removed in the usual way. It's worth noting that although this video has been edited to show different angles, the timescales are unaffected. After loosening the last tie rod, the engineer can lift the rotor and stator away from the pump. Lastly, the thrower guard is pulled back to remove the pin from the stub shaft. The remainder of the drivetrain is then removed. In just under 3.5 minutes, the engineer has completely removed all the rotating parts from a typical PC pump. This is the first time an industrial PC pump unit has been stripped to this level without the need to disconnect or remove pipework. This operation would normally take at least 4 hours to complete.